All these issues which are hurting the sentiments of Goans, which are affecting the Goans youth, which is directly or indirectly affecting Goa, are the issues.
बीजेपी हरोवपाक खंय काँग्रेस मगोक समर्थन करतली. मगोचे उमेदवार आसात थंय काँग्रेस आपले उमेदवार घालची ना.
We will take support of everyone who wants to genuinely defeat the BJP. We are sure, but we are not making alliance with anybody. We are very clear. We will make understanding, and preliminary talk we already had with MGP. In some constituencies, both of will contest. Where they feel they are strong, we feel we are strong. Wherever we feel that we cannot defeat BJP, there we will lend a support to MGP. And wherever we feel that MGP we are strong, MGP will lend us support.
CAA काँग्रेसीचो खर विरोध जाल्यार मगोचो CAA जाहीर तेको. मात गिरीश म्हणटा ही युती न्ही समर्थन.
How are you going to justify on the CAA issue with the MGP? Because MGP is not supporting.
So that's why we are not going with the alliance. We said we are not making any alliance.
We are going to have the understanding. No,
we make an understanding wherever we are not in the position, we cannot support BJP candidate. So wherever possible, we will support the candidates who can defeat BJP, and we will appeal others also that they can also support the Congress candidates to defeat BJP. It is not only the responsibility of Congress, it is responsibility of everyone who feels that right now BJP is their enemy of Goa. We will appeal everyone that whoever wants to defeat BJP. See, we have a strong base in many of those constituencies.
वेचणूक येवन तेकली तरी अजून खंय कोण झगडटलो ते मात थारिल्ले ना. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी.